Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car buffer available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is Meguiar's MT300 Dual Action Polisher. Yes, there are far more expensive buffing options in the dual action polisher or random orbital polisher space, but we enjoy the Meguiar's MT300 unit a lot. The construction is properly premium, the adjustable handle makes for a comfier machine than usual, and backing plate installation is a breeze. With a wide range of speeds available, the MT300 was happy applying a bit of car wax, working harder with a polishing compound, remover or anything in between. Meguiar's credits its digital torque management for smooth operation, and that came through when working with the unit. The MT300 is quiet and far smoother than other tools we work with, and when you're spending this kind of money, it's exactly what you want. Bonus points for the slow and steady startup speed to ensure you don't sling car polish product everywhere. These little touches reinforce how premium this car polisher machine feels, while undercutting some of the space's bigger names. If there is a con, the power trigger system is a little finicky. We only say that because on a few occasions, it was easy to pinch a finger when squeezing the trigger when starting the buffing machine on a car's paint surface. Otherwise, it's hard to find many complaints. The second product on our list is Porter Cable 7424 XP Variable Speed Polisher. Porter Cable is a well-respected brand when it comes to some excellent budget tools. The company's 7424 XP car polisher isn't an anomaly in that respect. We really enjoyed the buffing tool's compact size and optional, attachable handle for this price point from a design standpoint. The company's standard foam pad does an okay job with product, but we recommend purchasing your own backing plate so you can swap whatever polishing pad or buffing pad you'd like onto the unit. The tool does not come with another backing plate for this price. However, the 7424 XP does its job well when it comes to working in product and taking care of a car's paintwork. The downside? It's pretty loud and transfers more vibrations to your hands than our other dual action polisher picks. Nevertheless, if you want an affordable car buffer from a company with a solid tool, Porter Cable is just the ticket. The third product on our list is Chemical Guy's Torque. Here's your step up from Porter Cable. Chemical Guy sells a line of Torque branded polishers, but if you're simply looking for an excellent tool to take out swirl marks and light scratches in paint, the Torque's Random Orbital Polisher is an excellent choice. No, it doesn't get the fancier digital display like the 10FX model, but the dial movement is totally fine to use while working on a vehicle. It's comfortable to hold, too, and transfers way fewer vibrations than the Porter Cable unit. We didn't really care for the on/off switch placement, however. It's a little clunky to get to while you're working. In this respect, the Torque 10FX is superior just on this usability factor. That orbital buffer model is also much costlier. We wanted Chemical Guy's entry-level unit because I personally use a 10FX at home. After using the standard Torques, we don't see why a beginner would need to make the jump to the 10FX. Noise volume is completely tolerable and the dual-action orbital polisher works mighty hard with the brand's Hex Logic pads. Plus, a backing plate is supplied. You're not stuck with the company's Hex Logic pads if you don't care for them, though we personally do recommend them. The fourth product on our list is DeWalt 7"/9" Variable Speed Car Buffer. DeWalt is a well-known name when it comes to developing rugged tools, and the company's 7"/9" Variable Speed Car Buffer is no exception. Designed with auto professionals and amateur car enthusiasts in mind, it boasts a powerful 12-amp motor and features a unique controlled finishing system that performs a soft start operation. Controlling your speeds through the trigger, the buffer gives you anywhere between 600 to 3,500 revolutions per minute for the optimum speed. This model also features a wool ingestion shield that eliminates any wool accumulation and increases the life of the tool. The total weight of the buffer is 6.7 pounds, which makes it somewhat heavy. Additionally, it features a non-mar rubber gear case that reduces the strain on your grip while working. This buffer is a little on the pricey side, though it can be a great investment as it should last you for years to come. Specs. Brand: DeWalt. Model: DWP849X. Weight: 6.7 pounds. Pros: soft, Start can be used on a variety of surfaces. Precision cut steel gears make it smooth to operate. Comfort handle. Cons. Heavy. Pricey. The fifth product on our list is Meguiar's G3500DA Power System Tool. Meguiar's G3500DA Power System Tool is designed for those that don't have the money for a single-use buffer like those above and below. Instead, this buffer attaches to the drill you already own. Given your drill's limitations, this option is great for small jobs and for those enthusiasts who are just getting into detailing their own rides. It can be used for a variety of surfaces. Part of the system is designed to remove any stains, streaks, or swirls left behind by previous waxes, as well as oxidation and other defects on your car by using the supplied compounding power pads. The rub is that this buffer is not the greatest for larger jobs since it lacks the RPM power of some bigger buffers, and the pads also tend to come loose easily. Specs. Brand. Meguiar's. Model. G3500. Weight. 1.32 pounds. Pros. Lightweight and easy to use. Can be attached to any household drill. Great for beginners. Cons. It requires a drill to use. The pads are not durable and might need replacing. Pads don't adhere well and can be annoying to deal with. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.